Hello viewers, welcome to Lucky Fusion Kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make South India's favorite parota recipe. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. Let's take a look at the ingredients first. 2 cups all-purpose flour or maida. You can also use wheat flour for this. 1 teaspoon of sugar. I have taken brown sugar. You can also use white sugar. The required amount of salt. 1 tablespoon of curd or yogurt, 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, and the required amount of water to make a dough. Let's get cooking. With the ingredients mentioned above, make a smooth, soft dough that is non-sticky. Knead it well. After kneading it well, apply a little bit of oil on the dough. Cover the dough with oil and rest for 2 hours. After resting for 2 hours, knead the dough for at least 5 minutes. All this kneading will make the parotas soft, and also it will help in the formation of crispy layers. After kneading it well, make small portions from the dough and rest for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, in a plate, take a little bit of oil and spread it on the surface in which you're going to roll the parota. Now take 1 dough ball, flatten it, apply a little bit of oil on both sides, and roll it into a medium thickness disc. The shape of this disc doesn't matter, just make sure you are rolling the dough into medium thickness. So repeat the same procedure for all the other dough balls. Once you've rolled it into a disc, grease a plate with oil. Grease a plate with a little bit of oil and stack these discs on this plate. In between 2 discs, apply a thin layer of oil so that the discs does not stick to each other. Now after rolling all the dough balls, rest the disc for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take one of the discs and roll it into a very thin sheet. The shape does not matter. You need not have to worry about the shape. Just make sure you're rolling it into a very thin sheet. After rolling it, take one edge and make it into a flower like this. After this, apply a little bit of oil and repeat the same procedure for the other discs and rest them for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take one of the rolled and folded dough and pat it into a clean circle. Repeat the procedure for all the other doughs and rest it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, heat the tawa or the pan. Add a little bit of oil. Add the parota and wait for it to cook. Add a little bit more oil. This parota recipe requires a lot of oil, so if you're very health conscious, it's better that you skip this recipe. Flip to the other side. Cook evenly on both sides. This parota is a favorite South Indian dish. We get it in almost all restaurants, from the roadside ones to even 5-star restaurants. After taking it out from the pan, give it a nice tap. Doing this will release the layers and the parota will become flaky and soft. Tap on 4 sides. Now the parota is ready to serve. If you like the video, click on the like button. Do subscribe to Lucky Fusion Kitchen. Thank you. Bye-bye.